light to move around. I hope it's not a problem with the video.
Yeah.
Okay. So good morning, everybody.
Morning.
My name is Nicolas Faysse. I am a socioeconomist. I work for a French research institute called Shah, and I've been posted at AT for almost 2 years already. I've had the opportunity to work in many places of the world before, South Africa, North Africa, Latin America, and now for the past 2 years, Asia. So, today I'm going to give you a very introductory talk about basic issues in natural resource management. So we have something now 1 hour. Let's see what we can do in 1 hour. We will try to do it a bit also in the form of interactive way. Okay, so wow, technology. So what I want to do with you during this hour is to understand what happens when we have several people using the same natural resource. There are some key processes and some key issues that you can find all over in whatever natural resources you can think about. And we will try to understand what are these key processes and these key dilemmas. Okay? Okay. Okay. Before going into what I'm going to tell you, what kind of natural resources you know?
Forest.
Okay. What else?
Wind, soil, sea.
Forest, soil. Yes, good. Okay.
Water.
Water, good.
Hungary.
Road.
Air. Mountain.
Air, yes. What else?
Hungary.
Sun.
So I put, I want, can I have, how do I do that? I want them to see what I write. Okay, good. Here I put, let's say, local natural resources, and here global ones. Global ones are natural resources at world level. Okay? So we said forest, soil, water, air. What else?
Sun.
Sun? Sun?
Sun.
The sun?
The heat.
The seat of the sun. Yeah.
Solar.
Well, not really. Yeah, it is natural resources, but there is not much an issue about that. Okay? So let's talk about these four ones: forest, soil, water, and air. What are the key problems we have with these natural resources?
Air.
Deforestation, yes.
Air pollution.
Deforestation.
Air pollution, good.
Soil erosion.
Okay, what else? Sorry? Water pollution, yeah. Okay, so why do we have these problems? Why people are not able to deal with air pollution, deforestation, water pollution? Why, in your opinion?
Increased populations.
Increased population? Yeah.
Development.
Yeah. What else?
Because it is open resource, so everyone can enjoy.
Public risk.
Okay. What do you know about open resources? What does it mean, open resource?
Open resource means everyone can access to use it, but it will rely more to other one.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. So An open resource is a resource that everybody can access with no control, okay, whatsoever. So why people can't manage to just make it that it's not an open resource anymore?
Because it is not property right. Because not anyone has the own rights or control on it. So everyone can join.
So what should we do? We should change the property rights system?
Governance.
Yeah.
Something related to governance.
Huh?
Governance.
So what does it mean, governance?
It's like governance in the local community. It's like government should do something about that.
Okay, so we should change property rights and governance. The government should do something about that. What else?
Raise the awareness.
Raise the
Awareness.
awareness. Ah, okay. Raise awareness. Yeah. So if we talk to people, they will change their behavior. Yeah. Do you agree or not?
Not really.
Not really. Yeah. Okay. There are very interesting three ideas. Changing property rights. The government should be active. And we talk to people, and if we talk to people, they change their behavior. Yeah? We will see that all these three ideas are interesting, but not the whole story. They can't be the whole story. We can't just, all these elements are part of the global solution, but each of them alone is not sufficient. Okay? Good. So, blah, 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 blah. So you identified these natural resources. I give you other examples like fisheries, pastures, okay? And the key upcoming natural issue around natural resources is global warming. Global warming is an issue of managing a natural resource, okay? So we will talk about that. Okay, actually among all these resources, I'm a specialist of groundwater. Groundwater, in my opinion, it is, in terms of water management, it is maybe all over the world the key endangered water resources and the most problematic issue all over the world in terms of water resources, okay? So here you can see on this table that many countries around the world are now increasingly depending on groundwater. Everybody understand groundwater? Yeah? Water under the soil. Yes? Okay? And this is the case of countries in arid countries, but it has also been increasingly the case of big countries like India. And you can see in this graph that the use of groundwater in India has immensely increased over the past 40 years. Okay? Basically, in India, the story is quite simple. In the past 50 years, we have had new techniques to drill wells and boreholes with very low-cost pumps. Okay? So, in the 60s, 70s, doing a well or a borehole cost much less than before. Do you understand the difference between a well and a borehole? Yes? Not? Okay. A well is a very large hole, 2 to 3 meters wide, yeah? And we dig this hole 20-30 meters to find groundwater, yeah? A borehole is just a tube, 10 centimeters diameter, and we drill and we push these tubes one after the other, and we can go much deeper, 100-200 meters to find water, okay? A borehole, okay? And so we had it was much less costly to access groundwater, and also because of the increase, somebody was talking about the increase of population. Because of the increase of population in rural areas in India, if my father had 3 hectares, Myself, as a son, I just have 1 hectare because I had to share the land with my sisters and brothers. So I had to farm on much smaller piece of land. So I had to intensify to make a living. And one way of intensifying is using groundwater, because then I could do irrigation. And lastly, very specifically to India, in India there is quite a lot of electricity subsidies for pumps. So it's not expensive to use groundwater for irrigation. So there has been a huge boom in rural areas all over the world where the whole economy, local economy, is based on groundwater use. This is an example of this dynamic in Morocco. Everybody knows where is Morocco? Where is Morocco? Yeah, just North Africa, just the upper left corner of Africa, North Africa, just south of Spain, okay? So just as an example, all here are the dots where you would have wells or boreholes in Morocco, almost like in 69, okay, almost 50 years from now. 20 years afterwards, you see more and more borehole and wells in 2005, 2013. You see the huge increase of wells and boreholes. And obviously, one of the consequences of that is that too much water is pumped. And in these areas, groundwater level is decreasing up to 3 meters per year. Each year, groundwater level is going down 3 meters. Okay? So it's not at all sustainable. This is a map of where you have groundwater overuse all over the world. And so in green and in red, and one of the key regions in the world is northwest of India, Pakistan, especially. I have one of the key states there is Gujarat. Gujarat is an Indian state close to the border with Pakistan, and all the areas in grey and black are areas where groundwater use has been much too high. Okay, this is just one example of a situation of overuse of a natural resource. Another example of the overuse is global warming. Okay, and then the fact of releasing global warming gases in the air, and we have the same unsustainable use of the air as a place where everybody sends away their global warming gases.